Hello everyone, how are you? Today I talked GR Airlines entry requirement details video. So at first Google Chrome browser open here, then typing GR Airlines web check-in, then enter. Then first link is the GR website link. So then scroll down page, then entry requirement. Click here. Then fully details entry requirement, airport entry requirement. So at first, identification card, passport and visa must be. What country are you traveling to? Some countries slip stipulate that the addition to a valid passport you need a visa and or other document. So enter. On the following pages, you have listed and the social regulation and term regarding entry to our destination countries. Please note that entry requirement may vary depending on your nationality. Please ensure that you have all your necessary document with you. If you do not, you may be refused entry and you will have the bear the cost of the return flight to your departure country. Travel information of the IATA Travel Center. This is IATA Travel Center. Many options this page showing. Many options showing COVID-19. Many options showing. Fully discuss this page. So then note of Federal Office or Customer and Border Security. This page many term and condition showing. Then country specify information. This website of the Federal Department of the Foreign Affairs provides information on this document. Swiss nationals need to card with them. It also contains travel recommendations and other important information. Country specific travel and security information page. This is very important, this page. Very important, this page. Country independent travel information. So many option this showing. Please carefully reading. So thank you all everyone. Thank you. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you.